How to use HelloFresh alongside other meal services. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, are you wondering how to balance HelloFresh with other meal services? Well, in today's video, I'll show you how to combine HelloFresh with your favorite meal plans to enjoy variety and convenience. So, now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the HelloFresh app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap or go to my menu and then select the meal that fits well with your other meal deliveries. So there, you just have to think days you want to cook fresh versus the days that you want quick meal. So there you can adjust your HelloFresh deliveries days so they don't overlap or cause waste alongside with your other services. So there you can just pick HelloFresh recipes with servings that match your household needs to avoid leftovers. And there you can use the app to monitor your meals and make changes based on your schedule and appetite. And that's it. That's how you can enjoy HelloFresh along with other meal services smoothly. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.